Testing, testing, test, test, test. Hello, everybody. Oh dear, sorry about that. The volume was a little too loud there. Hello, everyone. Starting today, I'll be doing an island-wide broadcast full of island updates going on, such as I'll go over some things that are very important to the island. So lend me your island ears for a short time. Now, it's only fitting that we kick off the daily ritual with a doozy of an island announcement. The Moondance Airport is now open for business. Starting today, you can use online and local features to fly to other islands for a visit. That's not it at all. The airport counter now offers postal services. And just like that, the Resident Service Center, the airport will be open 24 hours a day. So please do drop by for a look. That's all from me. I hope you all enjoy another fine day of luxuries on the Moondance living. Well, good morning, everybody. It's chapter 3 of our life here on Moondance. We've got mail. I did play a little bit more last night, and I got some money and just caught some more bugs and stuff. Mom thinks of me whenever she sees playing. But I did go ahead and get us that nice Christmas sweater. We can wear that and we'll be warm. Mom sent us a present and some apples. We should plant those. Good morning, Diva. She focused on fishing. Built a snowman too. Kicking the snowball. I wonder if we'll find another one here. Relatively close. I wonder if Sprocket's still asleep. He might be out and about too. So yeah, I caught a bee. I caught a moth. I don't remember what the last thing I caught was. Sorry. Check my encyclopedia. Ooh, there's something back there we can go catch. And over there. Yes! I caught a common butterfly. Come over here. I'll catch you. No! Come back! Isn't coming back. Man, you know what I do miss? Having a coffee maker. I'm up relatively early. I'm normally up this early for work. What's Timmy doing over here? Tommy. Really? I'll go look. Didn't even see it earlier. There you are, Sprocket. Hi. Good morning, Zort. Getting an early start? Yeah, man. An outdoor gym does seem nice. like that I'm just kicking it. Mechanic. There we go. Do we want to make a really disproportionate child? Oh, you know, Flump. Get on. There we go. Almost so close. Giving 90% to a project is one way to go for sure, but the extra take you to the Snow Pro Circuit. And I really want to see you on the Pro Circuit. Thank you. I tried so hard. I think you look good. Snow people are talking to me. Let's catch a snowflake. It's a snowflake. I don't frankly know what I can do with those yet. Oh, there's the bottle on the beach Tommy was talking about. Let's open it up. It's got a DIY recipe in it for a ukulele. I learned how to make a ukulele. Look at that. I did also find last night the wooden mirror template, and they gave me a frozen counter template. So we have a few more. What else do we have here? Nothing. Guess we'll put the common butterfly down here too. Well, I guess we go see what Tom is doing this morning. And check the store and stuff. And put some money in the bank. Good morning. Nothing in the recycling bin. Let's take a look at the store. 80 miles. We're getting there. Nick shopping. Nintendo Switch. Animal Crossing New Horizons Nintendo Switch. I'd love to have that. Intriguing. I didn't see anything necessary though. Let's talk to Timmy. We'll start by selling the snowflakes. I don't think we need those. $3,000 for the snowflakes. Dang. I'm gonna sell snowflakes more often. Just don't tell them they melt. I don't think you have anything I really need. Hello, hello. Good morning. What? Well, this island is a... He wants to see what creatures. He wants to... I guess we just spent some more time catching some critters. What about you, Sprocket? Yeah. This is a stick. Keeping our eye open for some new bugs and some fish to catch. We'll add them to the collection over there. And this, we've already caught them. It's another stick. That's another stick. That's a beehive! Caught them though. Well, they're wasps. I'm sure that'll make some good money. A glowing spot on the ground there. Quaint. Let's get the fishing rod out. It's been a nice pastime, although I don't imagine fish are very active right now during winter. Let's try to line that up better. I caught one! An anchovy. Yeah, I don't like those on pizza. The dragonfly is back. Oh, I've already caught the damselfly. Oh, my net broke. Oh, I should be able to make another one. The rascally clown. We're almost there, though. We almost have enough points to pay off our debt. There's another one. Nick phone life. I mean, I'm fine with getting points for just using my phone. I did end up making those umbrellas to give to Diva and Sprocket. I've got one in my hand now. Is there actually a fish? Yeah, you're not even fishing for a fish. There's not one there, Diva. You silly girl. She can try to accomplish her dreams. We'll sell these. Another 3,300 bells made. Making progress. Let's craft. Make myself a new net. Alright. And there is one other thing I wanted to make. A cozy campfire for everyone. This should be cozy enough. So, today, well, it's just going to be a lot of fishing and bug catching for now, it looks like. My stepbrother has been texting me, and he's very interested in coming to visit Moondance Island and take a look. So, I'm hoping later today he'll stop by. And I'll be sure to document that if he does. These snowflakes sell for pretty good money. So it'd be nice to catch them. Grab the seashell too. Ooh, I caught one. Horse mackerel, I think. Yes! It's a shame that we can't explore much of the rest of the island yet. I think we should make a gift for my stepbrother before he comes here, but I don't know. You know, we'll give him the digital alarm clock. Let's take a look at it. I'm sure he'd really like that. Let's try to pay off our debt today, though. Being in debt is something that terrifies me. The outdoor loving friend. Decorative friend. That one looks really big. Catch that one for sure. There's an even bigger one up there too. I'm gonna try to catch them both. Yes! I caught a yellow perch. These yellow birds have to sit somewhere. Alright. Come on. Ooh, I got it. Got it. It's heavy though. Yes! I caught a black bass, the most metal of all fish. I caught another damselfly. It's not a damselfly in distress, though. I'm not gonna be able to get that one. Goodness. Dragonflies are hard to catch. I was thinking that I could sell that. We'll sell these. We've hit our first 10,000 bells, guys. You've got the bug. Caught 10 bugs. And we just reached enough Nook miles to pay off our debt. Let's do it. Hello, hello. You're all ears. About my moving fees. Yes, I would. I'm ready to pay up. It is. I'm enjoying it. It's fine. Building custom homes. Okay, the Nook stop. Will be something I'll look into. What should I do? Yeah, oh, I've caught a few. You'll have to take a look at my encyclopedia. I found some, see? You gonna give it back? Okay. Well, Critteropedia. It's like an encyclopedia. That's pretty cool. Okay. I'm gonna go find another yellow perch. So I don't think every little bit of my day-to-day life here about me catching fish individually and just making some money on the island needs to be documented. So I think it'd probably be best if I shut the cameras off for now. Well, I just go hunting for another yellow perch and make some bells. Although I guess we'll end it by taking a look at this new Nook mileage thing I've just earned. Over here. Moving fees paid. Got 500 back. That's nice. And then let's take a look at the Nook stop, see if there's anything sweet we can get ourselves to reward us. Ourselves. Please select from the Redeem Nook Miles. There's so much. Oh, I'm not a Nook Miles. Okay. I'm not a Nook Miles Plus member yet. Well, I think I do see something I'd like to get. This silk rug. It'll make my tent feel more comfy. So we'll save for that. Alright, let's try to get another yellow perch. I kind of want to hold on to that. Oh! Dang it. Alright, well, I'll do all this stuff off camera, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Hey guys, we're back, and I'm going to document my brother coming over to Moondance. I've got him here on the phone with me, and he's ready to come on over.
Hey, what's up, boys and girls, squids and kids? It's the one and only, the GrandmasterSmash, and holy moly, my channel's been going for 5 years.
Your channel has been going for a while, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. Alright, let's see. I want to fly.
And our island gates are open.
Alright, I want to visit someone. Via online play. Alright.
Still need to catch that yellow perch. I just realized I made another net, not another fishing rod.
Roger. Connecting to the internet.
Should probably go get another fishing rod.
Come on. Search for friend.
Let's craft.
Best friends list. There we go. Nice. Okay.
There we go.
Dude, come on. Alright. Alright.
Sounds like my brother's having some problems getting on his flight.
No, it's just text and tutorials. Looking for island you can visit. Oh yay, Moondance is up. Alright, let's fly. Prepare yourselves, y'all. G-Smash is coming.
Looks like someone's here. Gal Airlines? The easy breezy chill soul from Dreamville, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for landing.
That's right, bro.
Starting descent now. Please make sure your seatbelts are buckled.
And make sure you have your parachutes. Psych. No, just kidding.
I mean, I don't know about you, but I wanted to skydive when we got to the island.
Cowabunga, dude.
Cowabunga, dude.
And I should be here.
Oh my goodness, you've got a man bun.
Yeah, I'm rocking that man bun though, but I got the cool shades.
You've got a man bun and a ribbon going.
What? I got a ribbon? Oh god, I'm not a girl, am I?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Hey, there's Fusion. Oh, looking nice.
Thank you. I've got an explorer's hat that Sprocket gave me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Would you like a sailor's shirt?
Yar, me hearty, I do. I do so dearly love a sailor's shirt.
I hope it fits. Here you go. This is a present for you.
Hey!
You look good in that.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
So I've just recently told that you've taken on been told you've taken on the island life as well. Are you enjoying living on an island too?
Yeah, I mean, I am, man.
Yeah, I've just moved here. So feel free to say hi to some people. Sprocket and Diva live here. Sprocket up here is a robotic chicken.
Hiya! Did I scare you? My bad. Sometimes I got a little too pumped up, and then I get a little too loud. You're here visiting, right? That's so cool. My name is Sprockets.
I think he's got a few loose bolts.
If only watches were a thing in Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
So your place grows peaches too. I'm gonna check inside your resident service tent unless you have anything else.
Alright. Oh, and Diva's over here.
Living on the island is the best choice I could have made.
Is it? I'm quite happy with it too.
Well, because you can really pimp out your island in the way you want it. Like, for instance, I'm thinking about building like a workout center on a cliff and a natural bath.
Are you?
Yeah. I can get my swole on while looking at the majestic view.
I haven't thought that much about where I'm taking Moondance. I've been selected as the residential representative, though.
Yeah, same here for my island. Tin bucket and a handy water cooler. A water cooler would be great for the backyard. So, dig it, man. My island's already growing.
Yeah? I'll have to come see sometime.
I got a few residents, and a few more are coming on the way, and we about to get the main man, KK Slider.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Another horse mackerel.
So I heard you're looking for yellow perch, and correct me if I'm mistaken, but they're found in rivers, right?
I think they are found in rivers.
Nice little bonfire up in here. Oh, you got a snowman already? 2 of them.
Yeah.
Oh.
Unfortunately, I didn't make either of them properly, but
I hate it when you have to roll a snowman across a bridge.
I don't have any bridges yet.
Oh, I do at my place. Pulling some weeds for you.
Thank you. Ooh! I just caught a freshwater goby. It's not a perch. A yellow perch.
Well, go be a hero.
Ooh, maybe this one will be a perch. If I could line up my rod well. Oh! I reeled in too early.
So you remember when I did a New Year's countdown from New Leaf back in like 2017?
I do.
I'm thinking about doing that with New Horizons this year.
Yeah?
Just make a cool little New Year's video like that.
That would be cool.
Oh, these are all your exhibits. That's cool.
Yes! I caught a dab! Not bad.
Yeah. It's hard to tell the difference between a dab and an olive flounder.
Have you met Diva?
I'm sorry?
Have you met Diva?
No, not yet.
Well, where are you?
I'm actually in your tent dropping off your gift.
Oh, thank you.
I think this is your tent. It's got a cot and a portable radio and a lantern. And is it yellow?
Yes. My tent is yellow.
Alright. Oh, what? No space? What do you mean no space, dog? Come on.
Ooh, caught a big one. Yes! I caught a red snapper. I'm feeling pretty dapper. Sure
what?
You sure you can put things in other people's tents?
I'll just place it outside.
I caught a pond smelt.
Alright. And I left you a gift right outside your tent.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Yeah, no problem, boss. I've been playing through Super Mario Odyssey again.
Have you?
Yeah.
That must be nice.
Yeah, you know, it's games like this, you know, like Animal Crossing and Super Mario Odyssey, Skyrim, that, you know, I'm able to cope so much with this COVID-19 stuff that's going on. It's just therapeutic.
Sorry?
It's just therapeutic.
It is.
The minute I heard a review of Animal Crossing on NPR, and I listen to NPR for game reviews now, I heard about it on NPR, and I was instantly hooked.
I caught a yellow perch. There we go.
Oh dear, I'm gonna...
It's in tight.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have brought you some DIY recipes, like the pole vault and the ladder from my place. I didn't think of that. Sorry, bro.
No, that's fine. Don't worry about it.
Where you at right now?
I'm out front of my tent. Fragrance diffuser.
Yeah. And now you're probably inside your tent right now.
I wasn't inside my tent.
Oh. Well, you were inside your tent.
No, now I'm inside my tent.
Are you trying to screw with me here?
No, I got there to watch you go in, so I was like, okay, I'll go in too, and so I followed you in right as you left.
Oh, that cozy cot though.
It's definitely quite cozy. It's beats sleeping on the ground.
So what do you do for heat in here?
You know, I don't get a lot of heat. I wrap up in my sweater. I just got this sweater. So it's really
ugly
nice.
sweater time for Fusion.
I don't think it's very ugly at all.
No, I just thought I'd throw that out there.
Do you have a Christmas sweater?
I do have a Christmas sweater, and I love it.
Yeah? Put it on, then. You just celebrated Christmas.
Oh, you mean in game?
Yeah.
I don't think I got one, bruh.
Really? Yeah. Pardon me, I just woke up on the island.
Yeah.
I think you'd look good in this explorer's hat that I've been wearing.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
You do.
Aw, snap. Dun 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 dun.
Ta-da.
I wonder what happens if I talk to those snowmen down yonder.
Have you met Diva?
Oh no, not yet. Sorry.
I last saw her down by the airport. I wonder if she's still over here.
One way to find out.
Diva! You are against Rocket.
You are, Diva.
Oh, she's over here too.
Oh, she is. Look at that. She's a cat? Or is she a bunny?
She's a frog.
Oh, she's a frog. Okay. Lol. Hey, Colin. Hey, G-Smash. How are you? How's stuff on Dreamville? Wahahaha. No, we never met. I'm just messing with you.
She's
I just
psychic.
heard someone talking about you. Hi, I'm Diva. You liking it here? Gotta say, I love Moondance. More with every day I'm here. Anyway, I'll stop weirding you out. Come by again sometime. Yeah, good old Diva. She sounds sweet.
Yeah, she is. So welcome to Moondance. I know it's small right now since we don't have any bridges and can't get around very much. But it's growing.
That's okay.
Sometime I'll have to document our journey, a journey to your island, Dreamville.
That would be wonderful.
Yeah, you better have it in tip-top shape for us.
You bet. With the coming months, my house is going to be more and more MTV Crib status.
That's cool.
Thinking about putting another pool and a jacuzzi indoors.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so with that, I think I'm going to end the documentation. My brother's here, but... And we're going to have a good time, but I don't think you guys need to see every second of that, so...
Yeah.
Thank you guys for stopping by.
And always make sure... Oh dear.
Oh.
Always...
Save the rainforests!
Yeah.
Always make sure to save the
get some laws
rainforest.
in. And always remember to settle it in Smash!